Assalamu alaikum students. We are going to talk about geostrategic importance of Pakistan, and that is very important topic. First of all, let's talk about what geostrategic define. Geo means the earth and the strategic importance of a place refers to the key impact location has played in deciding how important a certain place is. Geostrategic relating to the strategy required in dealing with geopolitical problems. Now talk about the Pakistan. Pakistan is located a region which has a great economic, political and strategic location. It has been the hub of great activities for the past 20 years. Stephen described its importance. While history has been unkind to Pakistan, its geography has been its greatest benefit. It has resource-rich area in the northwest and people-rich in the northeast. Pakistan is a junction of South Asia and Central Asia, away from resource efficient countries to resource deficient countries. Pakistan is a route for transportation and a frontline state against terrorism. Now, let us discuss its importance. Pakistan has the sixth largest standing armed forces of the world. It is ranked among the emerging and the growth leading economies. It is a third world country, but it makes its own aircraft like JF 17, Mushak, and parts of Boeing aircraft. It is the seventh nuclear power in the world. Pakistan has developed one of the world's most sophisticated missile systems like Babur and Ghori. Pakistan has the second best performing stock exchange. Two Pakistanis have won the Nobel Prize, late Abdus Salam in 1979 and Malala Yousafzai in 2014. GPS coordinates. Basically, GPS coordinates are precise geographical location on the earth, and coordinates are usually combination of longitudes and latitude. So, longitudes are the lines that are drawn from north to south direction. Latitudes are imaginary lines that are drawn from east to west direction. Equator is an imaginary line that divides the earth into two equal parts. And here is Pakistan. The latitude of Pakistan is 30.3753 degree north, which denotes Pakistan positioning in northern hemisphere. The longitude of country is 69.3451 degree east, meaning it is a part of eastern hemisphere. Together, these points indicates that Pakistan is situated to the north of equator. Pakistan geostrategic importance can be the best understood in the regional and global perspective. In geographical terms, it is surrounded by four countries: Afghanistan, Iran, India, and China, and each of which is a major player in international politics. Here is a map of Pakistan. Pakistan is a land of plains, mountain ranges, deserts, and coastal belt. The Pakistan shares its eastern border called Red Cliff Line with India. In the northwest, fronts include the boundaries of Devon Line with Afghanistan. In the west, Goldsmith Line with Iran, while China is in the east. And if we talk about the Arabian Sea, that is in the south of Pakistan. Pakistan emerges to be one of the most significant geographical patches of Asia. Now we will talk about its neighboring countries. First of all, its relation with Afghanistan. The landlocked countries of Central Asia and Afghanistan all dependent upon neighbors, and the location of Pakistan offer a suitable network of rail and roadways. The distance would be shorter, so the trade facilities also. That's why Afghanistan is in the favors of Pakistan. Okay, now we will discuss the relation of Pakistan with Iran and importance of Pakistan for Iran. The pro-Western Arab government are also afraid that the further strength of Iran may encourage their population to revolt against the dictatorial governments in these countries. And in these circumstances, Iran needs Pakistan's support to foil the Western conspiracies against it. Now, the importance of Pakistan for India. Pakistan, eastern neighbor India, with its huge market and its nuclear capability, is also ambitious of becoming a global power with a permanent seat in Security Council. Apparently, it insists that a strong, stable, and democratic Pakistan is in India's interest because any fundamental government in Pakistan may lead to cause disturbance in India. Now, the importance of Pakistan for China. China looks towards Pakistan for giving it an easy access to Muslim countries of Central Asia and Middle East. It is worth remembering that sea transport is 10 times cheaper than the land transport. Realizing these facts, China has invested heavily in Gwadar Port project. China is determined to remain associated with Gwadar project because it is fully aware of its potential economic and commercial benefits. CPEC, China Pakistan Economic Corridor. The CPEC is an ongoing development mega project which aims to connect Gwadar Port of Pakistan to northwestern region of China via network of highways, railways and pipelines. The economic corridor is considered central to China Pakistan relation and will run about 27 kilometers from Gwadar to Kashgar. CPEC is intending to rapidly upgrade Pakistan required infrastructure and strengthen its economy by the construction of modern transportation networks, numerous energy projects and special economic zones. Pakistan is a gateway to Central Asia and its Arabian Sea provides an easy access to the countries of the Middle East. It lies in the neighborhood of China and India, which due to their huge markets are supposed to be the economic giants of future. among the innumerable gifts bestowed upon Pakistan by nature. Perhaps one of the important one is ideal and highly strategic geographic location. If it is prudently used, it can make our country the hub of international trade and commerce, opening up new gates of progress and prosperity for its people. Inshallah. If you like my video, subscribe my channel. Thanks.